Google is leading the way in phone AI features, but Apple is gearing up to shake things up with the iPhone 16. The Tensor chips are empowering Google to introduce numerous on-device AI features to their phones. Surprisingly, the Pixel 9 seems to be surpassing the Pixel 8 in terms of AI features, which is quite a feat considering the capabilities of its predecessor. According to a leak from Assemble Debug to the Google Pixel blog Punica Web, the upcoming Pixel 9 series is expected to boast enhanced on-device AI capabilities. The leak hints at exciting features like text-to-image conversions, additional Magic Compose functions, advanced auto-reply suggestions, and text categorization and embedding capabilities. All of this will work without the need to connect to the cloud, potentially revolutionizing the game. The information on these cutting-edge features has been uncovered by analyzing the code in the latest versions of Google's AI Core app and the Google Messages beta, making it quite reliable unless Google decides to make some last-minute changes before the Pixel 9 hits the market in 2024. While many AI chatbots can already handle similar features, the real game-changer here is the on-device aspect of the rumor. If this turns out to be true, the Pixel 9 will be capable of executing these advanced AI functions without relying on a server or sending your data over the internet. The Pixel 8 boasts a range of impressive features, but it heavily relies on a cloud connection for its AI capabilities to function. However, there are several advantages to keeping the cloud out of the equation. Firstly, it enhances security by eliminating the need for a connection to an external server. Additionally, this approach makes the AI capabilities faster, since the phone doesn't have to establish a connection each time. Moreover, it enables generative AI to work even in areas with poor cellular or Wi-Fi service. It's worth mentioning that some of Samsung's Galaxy AI features can operate without a connection as well. In fact, Google and Samsung have collaborated on certain AI features found in the Galaxy S24 series, including the innovative Circle to Search. While the advanced Gemini model is typically exclusive to Pixel devices, there are rumors of a potential partnership between Google and Apple, which could bring some form of Gemini to the iPhone 16 models. With the abundance of iPhone 16i rumors, it's safe to say that Apple will offer a plethora of features to rival Google and Samsung. However, based on the latest rumor, it seems that Google is determined to maintain its lead in the AI race. So, what are your expectations for the upcoming Pixel lineup? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to stay tuned to our channel for more updates. Until next time, take care and peace out.